Hello, CatsGarden&Kettle friends. It's December 24th. It's partially sunny, so I'm enjoying the sun while it's out. One of my garden companions is here, of course, as soon as I start filming. Yeah, but it is Crash. King Crash. So let's just stroll around the garden and see what is blooming. So here we have calendula and a pink daisy, which I grew from a cutting, and it's doing great in winter. Summer, not so much. Okay? Let's follow Pote. Oh, so many bees. Hello. Where the sun is no longer shining, or shines only from time to time, the flowers are already half closed. So that is why I'm here, enjoying the sun and see all the things that I have to do and thinking how I'm going to do them. And would you look at that? Look at this beauty. This is an aloe. It's a very old one. It's been here for, I don't know, 15, 20 years. There's a bunch of them in a row. That's the avocado tree. It's about 9 years old. It's full of avocados. This was grown from a seed. Yes, this was grown from a seed. So the avocados are... This one is still small. I don't know why the loquat is setting fruit in December. Don't ask me why, I don't know. And also, the passion fruit is also setting fruit. And now it's dusk time, and I can hear the owls. Hey, birdie. Ooh. And there she goes. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next ball. Bye.